Okay, so now you've got random equations, and I'm asking you to tell me which conic section it is. So the first thing you're going to do is find all of the parabolas. So parabolas have one, either an x squared and no y squared, or a y squared and no x squared, or a y squared and no x squared. So when I look at this group of equations, I find this one is a parabola because it has an x squared and no y squared, and this one is a parabola because it has a y squared and no x squared. So I found my two parabolas. It keeps you from getting confused later on. So the first thing you're going to do is find all your parabolas. Then you're going to find your hyperbolas. Hyperbolas have a positive x squared and a negative y squared, or a positive y squared and a negative x squared. So I'm going to go and look. These two are both positive. Those are both positive. Here's one here where a positive x squared and a negative y squared. And there should be another one. Yep, number 2, a positive x squared and a negative y squared. So there's my hyperbolas. Now the next two, you're going to decide if it's an ellipse or a circle. Well, in all of these, you have an x squared and a y squared. But and in all of them, they're all positive when you move them to the same side of the equation. There might be a trick question where they have some on the right. You move everything to the left side, they're all positive. So you're going to look at the coefficients. So we're going to find the circles first. If the coefficients of the x squared and the y squared are equal, it's a circle. So look at here. Those two have a 1 for a coefficient, 1x squared, 1y squared. It's a circle. The number 4 have the same coefficient. That's a circle. Okay? So look at the other two. The other two have an x squared and a 9y squared. That would be an ellipse. So ellipses have coefficients of x squared and y squared are different. So these two that are left are ellipses. I hope that helps. You don't have that many for homework. This is pretty easy. I'm going to give you a quiz on this later, soon in the week, and then we can finish up with this chapter. See you soon on Zoom.